Let's review what we learned in today's class. We started off by going over our field properties. We talked about indexing. We learned about searching, sorting, and filtering in our tables and forms. We built queries with multiple criteria. Parameter queries, very powerful. We built an employee table, an employee form. We dropped a picture in it. We built a combo box and a list box to select a gender from a list. We built mailing labels and a mailing label report to only show customers who are not missing any address information or customers who are missing address information. And we learned how to compact and repair our database. Now it's time for your skills check. Head on over to our website, 599cd.com/test, and take your skills check. What's next? Head on over to our website at 599cd.com/access and find out what course is right for you to take next. We hope you've enjoyed this class. If you have any questions, you can email support@599cd.com. This lesson is copyright 2003 by Amicron Computing, all rights reserved. This video may not be reproduced, copied, edited, or otherwise distributed without express written permission of Amicron Computing.